guys, so nagbabalik na naman yung vlogger's friend Kitrolly, and for today's video, today is April 7, 2025 and
mainit na.
Yeah, uminit na, kaya lang umulan ngayon guys. So si Daddy, ano siya, off today. Ako from duty. Sinundo namin yung dalawang kidlets. Hi kids. Hi Lupshan. So, for today's ganap, samahan nyo kami guys. Pupunta kami ng Target. Titingin kami ng dress ni ate. Kahit ayaw niya mag-dress for tomorrow. Kasi tomorrow is her big day. Big day. Ano niya? Induction nila nung National
Awardee.
National, what do you call that natin? National Honor.
National Junior Honor Society.
Ano? National Junior Honor Society. Oh, member si ate Baleng ng kanyang school. Ng, yun. Parang ano yun, organization, basta society ng mga honor yata yun sa US, parang ganyan. So, maghahanap kami ng dress for her, and then, ayun, samahan nyo kami sa Target for today's ganap guys, and then, additional na lang yung vlog for tomorrow, yung induction ni ate. So, ayun, samahan nyo kami. So, more on green na yung mga puno ngayon dito. Nung mga last 2 to 3 weeks, mga white yung mga punong yan eh. Ngayon, lahat sila green na. Tsaka nung last week ba yun, sobrang daming pollen talaga. Buti ngayon, umulan-ulan, hindi na masyado. Kaya siguro uso dito yung pollen allergy kasi sobrang pino, tapos basta, kapag nandito kayo,
pulbos na green.
Oo, pag nandito kayo. Alam mo yung ano, parang alikabok na green ganun. So right now, puro green na siya guys. Tsaka tingnan nyo dito guys oh. Magkatabing Tesla. Ayan. Tapos dito sa kabilang side, Tesla again.
Sa likod, Tesla.
Ano lang to eh. Basic na lang yung Tesla dito. Basic! Yan oh. Oh, pack. Dito pang isa. Oh, pack. Common car. So, ayan. Pauwi na tayo, guys. Galing na kaming Target. Na-stress lang ako kay ate kasi ayaw niyang mag-dress. So, tingnan natin yung dress niya for tomorrow. I mean, yung dadamit niya tomorrow. Ayan, no. Super green na yung daan talaga.
No battery. Oh,
Hi guys, so today is April 8, 2025 and on the way kami guys, papunta kami sa school ni ate for her induction. Ano na, 6 PM, 6:30 naman yung start, pero sabi ni ate 6:30 daw. So, patingin yung ate. Babae! Nakaipit, nakahikaw. Tingnan natin mamaya. Hindi naman inaasar. Ate! Again, congratulations! Ganda ni ate Baleng. So yun guys, samahan nyo kami sa induction. Hindi ko na na-video yung pagsama na pag-target namin kahapon kasi si ate ayaw kumuha ng dress. Ewan ko ba? Ayaw niya daw mag-dress. So ngayon naka-ano nila siya, slacks and blouse and everything. So ayan, samahan nyo kami sa kanyang induction day for today guys. Hi Lucian! Lucian! From school, ako from work. So ayan, samahan nyo kami. Buti na lang 6 PM yung ano nila. 6 PM yung program nila. So lahat kami kasama. I mean 6:30 pala. So ayan. Ayan guys, papasok na rin yung ibang mga parents. Tsaka ibang mga awardees. So ito guys, yung auditorium nila ate Baleng. Laki. So waiting pa kami mapuno. Hanap muna kami ng upuan. I don't know kung saan sila ate Baleng. Tingnan natin yung program nila.
First thing I would like to start with, before I start the history of the National Junior Honor Society, this is our 3rd year, but each year I say this same exact thing. It comes off as a joke, but it's very serious. So advanced values in younger adults, typically 6th to 9th grade, which is like middle school, junior high school, among middle level students. After the National Junior Honor Society was established, it promoted its values and formed to encourage early development of leadership. Cumulative grade point average of a 3.0 on a 4.0 scale, must have strong academic performance across all subjects, so that's including electives and your core subjects, demonstrate leadership in the classroom, school, or community, show initiative and resourcefulness. You have to participate in voluntary activities and give time to help others without pay. You have to show Did Samantha make it? No? Well, we're still going to say her name, Samantha. Alaya. Isabella was unable to make it. Will. Ayana. Joshua.
And we do like to honor our inductees the night of and celebrate them accordingly. We're going to ask anyone who feels uncomfortable with being posted on Instagram or on Twitter or on our website to step out, just so we can honor you accordingly. If you are, we're going to ask everybody to get a photo op. I'm going to
Wait, let me hold my phone too.
Okay, picture. Wait. Well, since tapos ng induction ni Ate Baleng, dito kami kakain sa Mexican food. Dito, malapit lang to sa bahay eh. Dito kasi favorite ni Ate, kaya mas gusto niya dito. El Coral, guys. Congrats, Ate B. Thank you. May itulo ni Daddy.
Cranky.
Ito yung pagkain nila dito, guys.
Wala na kasi
may tortillas. Ano?
Wala na kasi ako marinig.
So ito, food namin na yan. Ito pala guys, sa ate, yung ano niya, yung sa middle school niya, iba-iba daw yung classmate niya per subject. So parang meron siyang 4 major subjects, math, science, ELA, tsaka yung core. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung mga yun. So, meron siyang isang subject, sa ELA yata yun guys. Parang English Language Arts daw yun. 5 lang sila, then sa ibang subjects, iba-iba yung kung ilan sila sa isang subject, ganyan. So, ang ginagawa nung parang kung paano nasama siya dun sa NJHS na yun. Parang ano, each faculty magre-rate sa ganyan-ganyan. So, ganun, naalala ko kasi unlike sa Philippines, kung sino yung classmates mo, parang black section kayo, parang ganyan kapag college, diba? Parang black section, parang ganyan. Kung sino yung classmates mo, sorry, kung sino yung classmates mo from from your first subject, yun na yung classmate mo for the whole day. Parang, ewan ko, ganyan kasi experience ko before, hindi ko alam sa iba. So, ayun. And I'm grateful na kahit paano nakaka-adjust na yung mga bata, or naka-adjust na talaga totally yung mga bata sa life nila dito. And ganun lang talaga. So, sa mga pupunta dito na may mga kasamang kids, guys, don't pressure your kids na makapag-adjust agad, ganyan. Take it easy, parang mag-adjust talaga sila. And, yun. Doon ko na tatapusin ang vlog na to. Ang difference lang ng ceremony dito compare doon sa ceremony sa Philippines. Kasi, kapag nagre-recognition si ate doon sa Philippines, parang, siguro dahil small school lang sila, and maraming kids, ganyan. So, parang crowded. Dito, nung induction nila ate Baling, wala masyado. I mean, konti lang sila kasi from grade 6 to 8 lang. So, konti lang. Tapos, ang laki ng venue, ganyan, laki ng auditorium nila. Diba, ate? Yeah, ang laki ng auditorium. Tapos, after nung induction nila, guys, merong pakain yung school sa mga inductees. So, parang Chick-fil-A lang naman. Chick-fil-A ba tawag doon? Chick-fil-A? Chick-fil-A, whatever.
Chick-fil-A.
Oh my gosh. So, ayun, parang, treat nila sa treat nila sa mga kids, sa mga, ingay ng mga pamilya ko, Diyos ko. Treat nila sa sa mga awardees. So, ayun lang. Doon ko na tapusin ang vlog na to, guys. Thank you for watching this vlog. Congratulations, ate. Congratulations, ate.
Oh. Thank you.
Awkward. So, ayun, guys. Thank you for watching this vlog. See you next time. Bye!